I'm going to be replacing something that you have probably seen at least once in your lifetime. In fact, you probably have one in your bathroom or at least one of your bathrooms in your house, because what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about this builder grade fan that basically is useless. So I'm not getting any kind of airflow right now with this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that shower on hot. I'm gonna turn that fan on, let the camera roll, and then we're gonna check out the mirror. We're gonna see how things go. We're gonna see if it does its job in any way, shape, or form. This one's 2001.
The main reason the original fan was not performing at all was because of the way it was ducted. In fact, most of the issues I see with bathroom exhaust fans around a house are that they are clearly an afterthought at every step. When houses are built, and during remodels, there are countless indicators that most of the time, duct connections and how the ducts are terminated to the outside are often overlooked or given little or no thought. In this case, the soffit was blocking airflow and preventing the fan from operating. After showering, it is best to have a working fan that removes as much moisture from the room as possible.
I'm going to be putting a new Panasonic fan in to replace it on the same day, before and after. Okay, so my observations are that I don't think the fan's working, but the mirror is not fogging, but I do feel a lot of moisture or humidity. And I'm gonna take a little video because in front of this recess light, you can really see just how the humidity is just sort of sticking around. And you know, I mean, that's to be expected, but when I put a new fan in, we'll see if it's the same type of situation. And there is a little bit of humidity starting to form on the mirror here. Once I open the shower door, you know, a lot more humidity was released, more moisture was released, and now the mirror is starting to fog a little bit. It's, like I said, really kind of humid in here right now. All right, well, I've got the new fan in, and I'm gonna go ahead and run the shower for 15 minutes. Okay, hopefully this is still working. Test, yes. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. Yeah, it's a world of difference in here. I mean, there's no humidity. Well, actually, I can't even say. I see a little bit of humidity up there, but I'm hot, sweating actually, because I just got down from the attic. I had to go all the way around and do some things, and you know, I don't feel like I did earlier. So we'll see how that translates once again into the mirror, which again, I don't right now see anything. It feels nice and dry in here, but I do see some mist. So let's turn it off. And it's hot and humid. And all that humidity is now able to leave the shower. And it is definitely gravitating towards that glass again. And things are starting to fog up a little bit. So it'll be interesting to see how that compares to earlier, because I do see how it did kind of gravitate towards, it's sort of stuck, and now it seems to be gone mostly. It doesn't surprise me. I tested the fan on camera, and earlier we got no reading, and then I got 102 CFM. So obviously things are working a little better, and there you go.
Appreciate you watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and check out some of my other walkthroughs. If you live in a house and you're having a problem, then I may have seen it before. So shoot me a comment and I will see if I can answer your problem as well. Thanks for watching.